In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier with Chatgpt. This process is seamless and can be completed in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to automate repetitive tasks or streamline communication workflows, integrating Zapier with Chatgpt can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to navigate to Zapier. Open your preferred web browser and search for Zapier, or just type zapier.com into your address bar. Once you're there, you'll be met with the login screen. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log in. If you're new to Zapier, you'll need to create an account, which is quick and free. Just follow the prompts, verify your email if needed, and you'll be all set. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Zapier dashboard. Look for a button or tab labeled Create and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll select Zaps. Zaps are essentially workflows or automations in the Zapier ecosystem. Once you've clicked on Zaps, you have the option to manually create your Zaps or to get a bit of assistance from AI. Zapier's AI features can be incredibly useful, especially if you're not entirely sure how you want your automation to function. However, today, we're focusing on creating a simple manual Zap. When manually crafting your automation, your first step is to decide on the trigger and action. These are foundational terms in Zapier terminology. The trigger is what sparks the automation to start, while the action is what you want to happen once the trigger occurs. To set these up, click right under the respective trigger and action headers. This will prompt a pop-up showing a list of applications to choose from. Here's where Chatgpt comes into play. Depending on the type of automation you're aiming to build, you can incorporate Chatgpt either as a trigger or an action. This flexibility allows you to determine whether you want Chatgpt to generate a response after a particular event occurs, or if you'd like an event to happen after Chatgpt provides its input or conclusion. Having set Chatgpt in place, you can proceed to link additional applications, actions, and triggers. Explore options that align best with your intended automation to create a seamless workflow that serves your needs. Remember, the strength of Zapier lies in its broad compatibility with other tools, so feel free to get creative. After setting up all your parameters, it's crucial to test your Zap to ensure everything operates as expected. Simply click the Test option and watch as your workflow runs in real time. Finally, once you're satisfied with the results, don't forget to hit the Publish button. By doing so, your Zap will be live, ready to perform its tasks automatically whenever the trigger conditions are met. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you now have a powerful automation setup to connect Zapier with Chatgpt. It's a brilliant way to save time and ensure your processes are efficient and reliable.